Okay, last question for our tutorial, chapter 1. There is a proton entering a uniform electric field to calculate the deflection of the proton. So remember, proton is a positive charge, okay? Electron is a negative charge. So that's why it is deflecting towards the negative plate. How do we know this is a negative plate? Because electric field goes from positive to the negative, okay? All right, so now we need to find S. S is equal to, this is for the Y component because this is our X component. So S that we are looking for is actually the Y component. So this is Uy t plus half Ay t square. So we know that it's the Uy is equal to 0 because it is released Ux at a speed of 2 meter per second in the X component. So maksudnya Uy dia sekarang ni akan jadi kosong. So kita punya formula will be half Ay t square. So from here, what we are going to look for is the acceleration and the time, okay? Okay, so how do we find time? Since we have the range ataupun the X component, we can actually use Sx equal to Uxt, where t is going to be equal to Sx over Ux, okay? So Sx is equal to, wait, I'm just going to write Ux first, and then Sx is equal to 0.2. So the time is given as 100 nanoseconds, okay? Lepas cari time, we have to find the acceleration. So how do we find the acceleration? We are going to use Ay equal to QE over M, alright? So Q is 1.6 times 10 negative 19. E is equal to, oh, we do not have the value of E. So basically E is just the volt divided by the separation between the two plates. And what is our value of V? It is equal to 1000 over the separation between the plates, which is 0.1, which gives you 10,000 volt per meter. So this is 10,000 over the mass, which is 1.67 times 10 negative 27. And then the acceleration is equal to 9.58 times 10 to the power of 11 meter per second square. So both Ay and T sudah ada, so kita just perlu substitute lah dalam this formula, which will give you the deflection of the proton to be equal to 4.79 times 10 negative 3 meter ataupun 4.79 millimeter as the deflection of the proton. Alright? Okay, so if you come across this type of questions, just remember that you need to apply kinematics of linear motion and always use this. Okay, so kalau tidak dapat cari acceleration because tidak cukup information, barulah kamu guna V equal to U at T, U plus at T, V square U square, yang itu tu lah. Alright, okay, so that is on question number 10.